Hi guys, it's me. So today, as you can see in the title, I'm going
outside
in the night outside. So I've never been outside with the camera. So in case if I need a light, I can use my octopus as the last video that I showed you that I packed my stuff for Maryland. So yeah, so as I told you, you can push on his forehead and it lights up.
First, let's eat ice cream.
And please subscribe and put a like. Let's get like let's get 8 likes, please, and comments.
Yeah, and first, let's eat ice cream, right?
If you want a shout out, you have to
subscribe.
You have to subscribe, put a like, and comment that you subscribed and liked, and then I will read yours, and maybe I will pick yours as a shout out.
Yeah.
So let's go.
She's a shout out of me.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put our sweatshirts if it's not too cold. Yeah. So we're going to put our shoes.
Wait.
I'll wait for some minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, as you can see, I have my
sweatshirts.
Our coats.
Yeah, coats.
And I have my octopus right here.
CMK.
If it's too dark, I'm going to show you guys how it's too dark. Like too dark outside. Look. See? Like too dark. See? Okay.
Let's go.
So we need to wait for a little while because there's some weird man. So yeah, let's wait for a little while. Okay, guys. So the strangers are leaving.
I'm gonna go. Okay, wait, guys. Yeah. Okay, we're going outside. Look, I go outside. I'll go crazy outside. Look, come on. Look. Come on.
Okay, yeah, but
I will do it like this.
Okay. They leave. So come on. Go. So yeah. It's a little bit creepy. Look. See, it's too dark.
Okay. Okay, don't do that. I wanna do that.
No, one, two, three, four.
Yeah, porque this paper, right?
Así no. Okay. So it's too dark. Now I need my light. So
let's look at cartwheel.
So yeah. You cannot see me so well, but I have my light. Okay. So it's so creepy outside. Look. Like so creepy. Look. It's all way over there. Our room. It's so scary. We just heard some crazy noises. Like coming from over there.
Wait. It's a kill clown.
No, it isn't. Okay, let's leave.
Okay, go. I'm savage.
You're savage.
Yeah, I'm savage.
Hurry up. I pushed him. Okay.
Hurry up, Ashley.
Okay. Oh, it was too cold. See you last.
Bye, suckers.
Did you hear him? He said, "Bye, suckers."
I'm savage. I'm savage. See you later. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh, it was too cold. That was too cold. I'm gonna exhale.
Oh, that hurt so bad.
Look. Oh, no. Ouch. Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, what do we do?
Okay. So that was a little creepy. Now we are doing. I want to do like something so scary. Like I don't know. Let's do scary stories, or we could turn off all the lights.
Wait, guys. Look my hands there.
So yeah, let's turn off the lights. I want to grab my octopus if it's too dark. Go at the bottom. Okay.
Nobody can see me.
Sorry, it's too dark. So yeah, we need some light. It doesn't go up much. So I need to keep it in my face because you cannot see me. So,
Wait. What do we do?
okay, I'm going to turn on the lights. Okay, this video is going to end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Comment that you subscribe and like. And I will do a shout out maybe of you. So bye.